I'm Paul Noffsinger. I'm Master Magician for the Mystery Collection, and I'm representing Madison Clubhouse. My partner is Sophia, and she is a hip-hop dancer from Denver, and things are going very swimmingly. We've got together, we've got costumes, we've got music. We're doing really well. So we have a hip-hop dance, and it is themed Little Red Riding Hood and Big Bad Wolf, and there's a fun surprise that I'm not going to spoil right now. The strengths I bring to this is I'm in front of crowds all the time. As a performer that I travel around the country doing my show, I'm not afraid to be in front of people or really kind of make an idiot out of myself in front of people. So I think that's a pretty good strength for something like this. We all don't start at the same starting point. We all don't start at the race at the same place. And opportunities are given to you by Boys and Girls Club that a lot of kids wouldn't get. So it's a big deal to the community, for sure. I encourage people to go to the Facebook page for the Mystery Collection. You can see all the incentives and see the kind of things you can get, the different shows I offer, the different things, and all the money, you just donate to the Boys and Girls Club on the website. I'll get a notice and tell me what you want from the incentives, and we'll get it sent off. We're out there to have fun, and I hope everybody else is out there just to have fun as well.